Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Dreame D10 Plus robot vacuum and mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. With its self-emptying base, this robotic vacuum offers up to 45 days of hands-free cleaning, automatically disposing of dirt and dust into a 2.5-liter dust bag, so all you need to do is occasionally empty the bag. Boasting a powerful 4,000 pascals suction and a 400 milliliters dust box, the D10 Plus tackles dirt effortlessly across various surfaces, while its 5,200 mAh battery ensures up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning, perfect for larger homes. Equipped with high-performance LiDAR navigation, it builds detailed maps quickly and plans systematic cleaning paths to ensure no spot is missed. The adjustable mopping feature allows you to customize water usage with a 150 milliliters water tank, providing efficient cleaning tailored to your floor's needs. With Alexa compatibility, you can control the vacuum with simple voice commands, making cleaning as easy as speaking, and the app lets you personalize your cleaning schedule, set virtual walls, and designate no-go zones for a truly customized experience. So, if you're looking for a smart, efficient, and hands-free cleaning companion, the Dreame D10 Plus might just be the perfect addition to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.